Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So in today's video you will learn les adjectifs démonstratifs in French. So there are 4 demonstrative adjectives in French as well as in English. This, that, these and those. So here in today's video we will learn these 4 demonstrative in French. Okay, so these are the words that used in place of articles to show a specific noun. So demonstrative adjectives are must agree with number and gender with the noun. Okay, there are 4 in English: this, that, these and those, and there are 4 in French: ce, cette, et, c'est. Okay, ce, cette, c'est. So, ce, okay, ce, ce is used for masculine singular. Okay, ce is used for masculine singular, and which means this and that. So ce, cette and cette, okay, they all have same meaning, this and that, but they all are used differently according to the gender. Okay, they are used according to the gender. Okay, with same for same this and that. All right, so ce is used for masculine singular, cette is used for vowel or mute h. Okay, in front of vowel or mute h we use cette. It doesn't matter that it is masculine or feminine, but if there is a vowel or mute h, then we use cette. Okay, cet. Cette, C-E-T-T-E, cette is used for feminine singular. Okay, cette is used for feminine singular, and say is used for plural, either masculine or feminine. Okay, plural. For plural we use say, and say means these and those. Okay, so here are some examples of each one. So for ce, ce is used for masculine singular. So see this example: ce livre est vert. Okay, ce livre est vert, which means this book is green. Okay, vert means green. So this book is green. So here why we use ce? Because livre is masculine as well as singular. Okay, livre, that means book, is a masculine verb and also it is a singular. Okay, so that's why we use ce. Ce livre est vert. Now cette, cette is used in front of vowel or mute h. Okay, cet oiseau est beau. Cet oiseau est beau. Okay, this bird is beautiful, or that bird is beautiful. Oiseau means bird. Okay, is beautiful. So oiseau is a masculine word. Okay, but it starts with a vowel which is o. Okay, it starts with a vowel which is o. Okay, oiseau. So that's why we use cet, C-E-T. So cet oiseau est beau. This bird is beautiful. Okay, now cette, cette is used for feminine singular. Cette femme est riche. Okay, cette femme est riche. So here femme means women. So femme is a feminine as well as singular. So that's why we use cette. Okay, cette femme est riche. This woman is rich. Okay, or that woman is rich. So cette femme is est riche. Okay, cette is used for feminine singular. Now say is used for plural, either masculine or feminine. Okay, plural basically. So ces sont mes clés. Okay, ces sont mes clés. These are my keys. Okay, clé means keys, chabiyan, keys. Okay, ces sont mes clés. These are my keys. So here clé is a plural word. Okay, keys, that are plural. So ce sont mes clés, that's why we use say. Okay, for keys, because it is plural. So we will repeat one more time: this, that, these and those. Okay, so ce, cette and cette means this and that, and say means those or these. Okay, and ce is used for masculine singular, cette is used for vowel or mute h, cette is used for feminine singular, and say is used for plural. Okay, So now we do an exercise for better understanding of demonstrative adjectives, that how we use the demonstrative adjectives in French and in the sentences. Okay, so we do an exercise, this exercise. So number 1, il fait quelque chose dash soir. Okay, il fait quelque chose dash soir, which means he is doing something. Quelque chose means something, so he is doing something this night, or we can say this evening. Okay, soir means evening, so he is doing something this evening. So soir is a masculine word. Okay, soir is a masculine as well as singular, so that's why we use ce, because for masculine singular we use ce, ce. Okay, il fait quelque chose ce soir, which means he is doing something this evening. Okay, now second, je dois finir dash article pour demain. Okay, I have to finish this article for tomorrow. Okay, demain means tomorrow. So article is a masculine, okay, as well as singular. Article word is a masculine as well as singular, but it starts with a vowel a. Okay, it starts with a vowel, that's why we use cette here, cet, set. Okay, because for vowel or mute h we use this cette, this demonstrative adjective. Okay, je dois finir cet article pour demain. Okay, now third, dash fille ne parle pas français. Okay, dash fille, so this girl doesn't speak French. Okay, this girl does not speak French, so fille is a feminine singular. Okay, for feminine singular we use cette. For feminine singular we use cette as demonstrative adjective. So cette fille ne parle pas français, which means this girl doesn't speak French. Okay, now number 4, j'adore l'odeur de dash roses. Okay, I love the smell of these roses. I love the smell of these roses. Roses is a plural. Okay, these roses. So for these we use always say. Okay, so j'adore l'odeur de ces roses. Okay, say. Now number 5th, on peut goûter les plats locaux dash sont délicieux. Délicieux. Okay, so we can taste the local dishes. Plat locaux means local dishes. Okay, so we can taste the local dishes. These are delicious. Okay, these are delicious. So because plat locaux, plat is a plural. Plat is a plural, so that's why we use say. Okay, for plat, because these are delicious. What? Plat. Okay, na? Dishes are delicious, so that's why we use say for plat. Alright, on peut goûter les plats locaux, ces sont délicieux. Okay, number 6th, dash homme est devenu très célèbre, which means this man became very famous. Okay, célèbre means famous. This man became very famous. So for homme we use cette, because homme is a masculine singular, but we do not use ce, we use cette here. Okay, because h is a mute h here. In this sentence we have mute h, so that's why we use cette. So cet homme est devenu très célèbre. Alright, so this was your chapter of demonstrative adjective, and you learned that how we use the demonstrative adjective in French in the sentences. Okay, how to form a sentence with this, that, those and these. Okay, so you have to practice it more and more for better understanding and for your understanding, for your practice. Okay, and now I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.